In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived lists in ClickUp. If you're an avid user of ClickUp, you probably already know how indispensable it is for managing projects and keeping everything organized. But what happens when you need to access lists that you've archived, whether you're looking to retrieve past information or simply review your archived content? I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's get started by heading over to clickup.com. Once there, you're going to log into your account. Make sure you've got your login credentials handy to keep this process smooth. Logging in will open up the home screen of your ClickUp account. Here. You'll see all your recent tasks and any updates that might need your attention. Now that you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Next, you need to focus your attention on the search bar. This is your gateway to finding anything in ClickUp. With a simple click, your entire workspace is at your fingertips. Clicking on the search bar will unveil a world of options where you can seek out specific tasks, files, or in this case, your archived lists. It's a great tool to keep in mind for whenever you need swift access to any part of your work. Once you've accessed the search bar, your journey continues to the filters option. The filters option allows you to narrow down your search, ensuring precision and helping you find exactly what you need without wading through unrelated items. Click on the filters. This will bring up several options, all designed to make your search as efficient as possible. At this point, you're almost there. Now, you're looking for the archive toggle. This is the secret key to unveiling your archived lists. When you toggle on the archived button, ClickUp will specifically search for content that's been archived, bringing it back into view. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can save you time and help you revisit your past lists whenever necessary. There you have it. By logging in using the search bar, applying the filters, and toggling the archive setting, you can easily navigate ClickUp to find any archived lists you may need. Whether you're revisiting an old project for inspiration or reviewing past work, you now have the roadmap to effortlessly access your archived lists. Remember, the organizational prowess of ClickUp is only as powerful as your ability to use it, and knowing how to find these archived parts of your projects is a big part of that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your ClickUp experience.